अस्सलाम वालेकुम, होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है टाइप्स ऑफ वाइट ब्लड सेल्स। ओके, so there are two types of WBCs. So in it we can say that first is granulocytes and second one is organocytes. Granulocytes have granular cytoplasm. These includes neutrophils, destroy small particles by phagocytosis. Cyanophils break inflammatory substances and kill parasites and basionophils. Prevent blood clotting also. We can simply say that they have granular cytoplasms. These include neutrophils, destroy small particles, and eosinophils break inflammatory substances and kill parasites and basionophils also. They also prevent blood clotting, but in organocytes have clear cytoplasms and include monocytes produce macrophages which engulf germs, and B and T lymphocytes produce antibodies and kill germs. We can say that in platelets, thrombocytes, they are not cells but are fragments of large cells of bone marrow called megakaryocytes. They do not have only nucleus and any pigment. 1 cubic millimeter of blood contains 250,000 platelets. This average lifespan of blood platelet is about to 7 to 8 days. Platelets help in blood clotting. The clot serves as a temporary seal to the damaged area. WCS dies in the process of killing the germs and make the white substance called pus seen at infection sites. In dengue fever, there is a sharp decrease in the number of platelets in the blood. Because of this, patients bleed from the nose, gums, and under the skin. Composition of bloods, plasma, description, amount in age, function. Cell types: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Cell type description is that is like a biconcave disc without nucleus contain hemoglobin, but they have 5 million per nanometer number of average amount of percentage present. But its function is to transport oxygen and a small amount of CO2 also. But the composition of blood of white blood cells leukocytes is that it is granular and organolar, contain nucleus larger in size than RBCs, 7500 per millimeter cube, play a role in bodies defense by different ways like engulf small particles, release anticoagulants, produce antibodies. Third one is platelets, thrombocytes, fragments of bone marrow cells, which includes 250,000 per millimeter cube amount in each. Involved in blood clotting, this function is involved in blood clotting. We can say that we identify red blood cell while in specimens of prepared slides of diagrams. Or moreover, we can say that there is also a blood disorder which are also included known as a diseases of blood. So mainly the diseases names are leukemia, blood cancer, thalassemia, uh, and blood systems. Leukemia is the production of great number of immature and mature white blood cells. This is caused by a cancerous mutations occurs, change in gene occurs in bone marrow or lymph tissue cells. The mutations results in uncontrolled production of defective white blood cells, leukocytes. It is a very serious disorder and patients need to change blood regularly with normal blood and get from donors. Can be cured by bone marrow with transplant. It is effective in most cases, but it is expensive in treatment because many of the money waste on it. Simply, this is leukemia. So hope you enjoy this video. See you next.